Hello, children. Going to discuss about word problems. Yes, what did we study till now? Till now, we have studied various operations on fractions. What are the operations, children? The various operations here mean how to add the fractions, how to subtract the fractions, how to multiply the fractions, and also how to divide the fractions. Yes, we have learned how to perform these various operations on given fractions. Now, as we know how to perform these operations, we can solve word problems easily. Yes or no, children? The main thing that we do in word problems is we apply certain operations to the given information. So as we already know how to apply these operations, let us solve some word problems based on them. What does based on them means? Based on the operations on fractions. Coming to our first example, Arjun wrote a unit test in mathematics and science. He answered 3 by 4 questions correctly in mathematics and 2 by 3 questions correctly in science. In which subject will his score be more? What are they saying here in word problems? It is important that you understand the question carefully, children. See, if you understand the question, the solving part becomes very easy. Okay? So that is why if you do not understand the question, read it twice or thrice so that it becomes clear. What are they saying? Our Arjun here wrote a unit test in two subjects. What are they? In mathematics and in science. So Arjun wrote a unit test in two subjects, mathematics and science. And what did he do? He answered 3 by 4 of the questions correctly from the subject mathematics. In mathematics, what did he do? He answered only 3 by 4 questions correctly. And when it comes to science, he answered 2 by 3 questions. 2 by 3 questions means of the total number of questions from the subject science, he answered only 2 by 3 correctly. Understood the question, children? From the total number of, say suppose Arjun had 30 questions. 30 questions from science. Okay, now from this science he answered 2 by 3 correctly. So 2 by 3 of 30 is 30 into 2 by 3. That is nothing but 30 into 2 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are 30. So 10 into 2, that is nothing but 20. So what does this mean? Arjun answered 20 questions correctly. Now that is what they have given us the information in the question. Now what should we find out? In which subject will his score be more? Now did they give the number of questions here? Yes, if they gave the total number of questions, we would have find out the number of questions answered correctly and then compare in which he will score more. Yes, the more number of correct answers and the score will be more. Here we have simply given with the fractions of questions answered correctly. So what will our solution be? Again in word problems, what is important, children? We write the steps for the word problem. First, we need to write the information given in the question. The first information given was questions answered correctly in mathematics is 3 by 4 and questions answered correctly in science is our 2 by 3. Yes, questions answered correctly in mathematics is 3 by 4 and questions answered correctly in science is 2 by 3. Now we have to compare these fractions.